What's up, guys? Bobby K here. I just want to go over with you the results. We had our first vote last Monday on the 9th. Okay, today is Sunday the 15th. This is the chart for the token that we chose. Okay, you can see here where our group entered the market. I was able to get like a little bit over 100%. I risked 4 Solana tokens, and I got back 4.25. Okay, I could have got back a lot more, but the website was glitching and stuff, so I kind of just jumped out with my profit, you know. But let me show you the token we bought. Or let me tell you how this works first. Every 2 weeks, we nominate 25 projects that we think are good projects, and we vote on them on our website. The project that wins, we decide to buy it, okay? Every other Monday, okay, we buy the project at 7 p.m. sharp, okay? At 7 p.m., we enter. At 8 p.m., our company enters and makes another large purchase of whatever is in the pot. Okay, you'll see how all that works. But we're going to be doing this every 2 weeks, guys. It's free, all right, for the members. And I just want to share this with you guys. This is the token we bought. I want you guys to be able to go, if you want to go look at the chart and see if, if it really moved like that. This is the token. Okay, the website for the token is bag.red, https bag.red. Okay, you go to their website, click view chart, and it's going to bring you right to the chart here. And yeah, it's going to bring you right to this chart. And this, like I said, this is where we entered. Now think about what I'm saying, guys. We're a small group right now. Every 2 weeks we're going to be doing this. Okay, we think about the information, guys. We vote on the website. An hour before the company buys the token, we already know who won the vote. If you vote for the token that won, you also get rewards. Okay, you get an airdrop of the token that won and another token, which I don't want to talk about here. I'll talk about when I get in contact with you guys. I'm going to give you the link to the website to sign up, and you can send me an email, guys, or any questions. I'll walk you through the whole thing. It's very simple. Okay, sign up on the website, and I'll send you an email. Send me an email, and I'll answer all your questions. If I see you on the website, I'll send you an email if I see you signed up under me. Also, we got a Facebook group for this. I want to send you all the links to get all the information. All right, guys, we got a Facebook group that I just made, and we're going to be talking about the votes and, what coin or we like, what projects we like, and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, this is going to be big, man. Right now, it's small. Picture this when it's 5,000 people. This is a small group, guys. Look how we moved this token. A small group of guys, man. This is just starting. This is the first vote. The first one. We're going to be doing this every 2 weeks. Imagine when there's 50,000 of us doing this. How we're going to move these small projects, guys. All right. Anyway, guys, get in, man. Click the link. Get in, join. And I'll see you in the group, man. I'll send you an email. If I don't send you an email, send me an email. I'll put it here. You'll see where it is. Just click those buttons on the side where you saw this video, or go to the YouTube channel and like and subscribe. I also trade Forex on there. You'll see. Check it out, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one, man. I'll see you in the group, guys. Cheers, man. Have a great day, guys.